There in the Bible that Jesus reaches to the seashore and sea turns into red wine. You know, the Vatican Library is full. The Vatican Library is full of 75 interpreted books on a single line. Means a single line is quoted with 74 different authors. The same is with the Farmers Bill, which was passed by the Parliament. No one knows what the actual bill is. No one here, no one means maximum. No one has read the bill. Otherwise, the farmers, the leader, whereas there is no particular leader of the farmer protest, they are not knowing what the actual problem is with this bill. And from my point of view, this bill is a revolution in the field of farmers, in the field of agriculture, because after 70 years of independence, what we have done in the field of agriculture is zero. Till now, the farmers or occupation of farmer is not by choice. The farmers are doing farming because of the pressure, because of the forced labor, because they are not getting job to do in other sector. So from my point of view, these bills are the reforms in the agricultural sector, and possibly with all hopes in coming years it will bring a great impact on the agriculture sector and will tell the youth to join the farming sector by not by force but by choice. This will be an innovation in this field.
I am Ishika, and today I would like to speak on this bill. So I also think the same way when I say that this bill will be proved as a great revolution in the sector of agriculture in India, because till now, up till we have read in our classes that the agriculture sector contributed a lot in Indian economy in the past many years. But the marginal production, as we know, that it was not that much satisfactory as everyone expected. Means many of them are employed in agriculture, but they are not getting proper wages, or some of them are cheated also by the big Indian companies. And in APMC, it was also there that the small farmers were not allowed to sell their produce and all. But because of this bill, everyone has the power. Each and every farmer will be able to sell their produce in any place, not in selected areas only, but in any place they can sell their produce and in their wishful prices. This bill will make. This bill has also the provision of contract farming, which the farmers can do with many big companies, so that they can get the maximum prices they want for their produce. Like we can take an example that the price of gold was 5,000 in many years before, but now it has reached to 50,000 approximately. But the farmers used to sell their produce at 12, grains, wheat we can say. At 12 they used to sell it earlier also, and now also the price of that wheat is 12. So because of this revolution, I think that they will get the right amount of their produce that they are producing, and they will get really a big amount for their hard work. Thank you.
Why there has been a protest? Actually, I think that the protest is not from the major community of the farmers who belongs from small groups, but it has been done by the farmers who really don't understand that what is written in this bill. Actually, the main problem is arising from the situation where that they don't know what are the things which have been written in this bill. I think that if they will go through the bill, that they will really appreciate this bill, because I don't think that in any of these three bill any of these likings are there, because why the government has passed this bill? To bring the reformation in the agricultural sector. The government is not the enemy for the farmers. They have bring it for the development of the farmers. Actually, they wanted to provide the farmers the area where they can sell their produce and get the maximum benefit. Earlier, the farmers were not having variety of choices where they can sell their produce. But now, by all says this bill, they can sell their produce online within from one state to another, or they can sell their price, their commodity on MSP or anywhere they want inside the state or outside the state. So I think that these all three bills will bring really a revolution for the farmers, and in long term benefit it is really going to benefit for the country also. Thank you.
So I am here to give my views on the farmers bill which was passed in the month of September, and it was signed on 24th September 2020. So basically these bills have brought a revolution in the agriculture sector, and because of these bills the farmers will have many choices, and instead of being confined they will get more choices to decide. And these bills enhance the dignity of the farmers.
Where from the sound is coming, sir? The sound is from your mouth.
These bills ensure that the farmers get better prices for their produce, and they are free to sell their produce to anyone. There is no any such limit. So because of these bills, the farmers' profit will be maximized and the cost of marketing will be ultimately reduced.
How it will be maximized? That which if you go to leave in Punjab and Haryana, come to this area, you are not finding that farmers are so equipped that they will be making the marketing direct to the other people at industry, single hand. If they are going through mandis, how many people are registered and how many people
Component list, state list, and central union list is there. The prevail central list rule made by the central government will prevail. So they make the ordinance, and under this ordinance, the ordinance will be valid till 6 months. Within 6 months, the government has to present the bill in the parliament so that it can be passed with both the houses.
So when had the ordinance come?
In the month,
Okay. And in what situation this is brought?
means in emergency situation.
What was the emergency in the month of June?
No emergency situation was there. Suppose I am a farmer from Khartoum. So I was forced to sell my produce output, wheat or rice, to the region. Suppose my APMC center is in Ranchi. So I have to go and I have to sell there. I have to implement my own transport charge, everything, tractor, transportation charge, everything what the else charges are there. I have to pay that and I have to sell it. There if I am going, it depends upon the agents whether they will take it or not. Because the storage capacity in India is very less. We all know that the storage capacity in India is very less. So after that, this problem was faced by the farmers. And as you have said, that is 6% of farmers. This is the scenario of total 6% of the farmers were only able to sell their produced good in the APMC, whereas 94 were not going to sell in APMC. They were selling in the public shopkeepers, private shopkeepers. The reason was the delay in payments in APMC, the transportation charge. After that, suppose if I am taking, I have loaded my every good wheat rice, 30 kilos or 30 quintal of wheat rice in tractor. I went there, they have told that sorry I cannot take, come after 3 days. After 3 days, again I have to load the same thing. The procedure was long, so what farmers were saying better to sell it to the shopkeepers. And the shopkeepers were selling, they were having the connection with the agents and they were selling to APMC. These were the scenarios. Yeah, APMC is mandis. Now, according to this bill, the
We
farmers.
have mandis sufficient.
So, for
10,000 farmer producer organizations have been formed.
and my dear friends. So in my point of view, I am totally support with the farmers bill which is passed recently. As he said that government is not our enemy. Whichever bills they are passing, it is for the benefit of our farmers as well as for our country. As we all know that agriculture is the backbone of our country and more than 75% of the people are engaged in agricultural sector. And the controversies which are going on is because of lack of the importance and not due to the proper knowledge of the bill. So due to these controversies and the protests and the rallies are going on. And we will take an example like the bills provide that the farmers can sell their harvest outside to anyone and anywhere outside the APMC market. And the APMC markets where all the transactions were taxed. So if they are selling outside the APMC market, then
So if it is minimum selling price, what is there earlier?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what is the government, means farmers asking for? What was asking for?
To make a non-MSP.
It comes in this bill कि MSP नहीं है, तो क्यों इन लोगों को क्या लग रहा है? MSP is there, not MSP.
Not clearly mentioned that MSP system is abolished.
Is not
Clearly mentioned that MSP will be guaranteed.
So do you support MSP? Yes. In the absence of MSP, what will be there? The positive ones.
Is provided to the farmers so that they can get at least minimum prices for their produce and they can sustain their life and they can produce next they can produce the crops in the next year.
They can sell,
1.5 times.
1.5 times.
Cost.
and then also sometimes what? More than that is the market price. So the farmers are free to sell their produce at that price. But if MSP is not there, that is not protected, then if it goes less, then also they are protected. But if it goes high, they are not protected, right? For example, MSP is 10 rupees per kilo potato. Okay. Now what happens? Market price it goes after the production 20 rupees. Now farmers are free if MSP is there in the bill that they can sell it at the cost of 50. Why? If it is not there, they cannot sell it. They have to sell it at the cost of 10.
That clearly mentioned that. Farmers can come out of that contract.
Contract farming. MSP means the production is given by the government, and contract farming is the outside people, Adani and Ambani and all those. Okay, so MSP is not there, and that is the only thing. Otherwise, the farmers are ready.
Yes, it is in the name of farmer, ma'am, but these all are mandi people. They are the mandi people because the farmers at last when they are rejected from this government concern, then they go to the mandi, the agent.
Even then, those who are very intelligent farmers, they are making. But if MSP is there, it will be the lowest strata of the farmers. Now, MSP is required. So if MSP is not there, so how many are the those who are giving rosy picture of MSP? Please speak.
It is only because of the bill that
Yes.
either MSP is abolished nor it is guaranteed.
But he is giving the guarantee in words.
Nowadays it is given.
But unless it is in bill, no one can have this. Yes, continue.
What is the fear of farmers that this MSP thing will be not there, so they will not have any kind of income security. And in case of contract farming, when they will suppose it large farmers, it is very easy for them to bargain and to fix their price with the agricultural firms or businesses. But it will be a problem for small and medium marginal farmers because they may not get the price as per so it will be a kind of that is the main fear, and that's why they want this MSP should be there and should be guaranteed in the bill.
In the bill it is given that it provides free opportunities for the farmers to sell their produce outside. So this so the farmers have moved towards the fair and flexible system. And this bill also ensures that the farmers or the producers get attention at the same time. And
To what mode?
through any electronic mode, because they are getting different platforms like electronic.
Which reference of which part of the bill? I'm saying to which part of the bill you want to do?
First, produce, trade and produce.
Trade and commerce.
Farmers,
this bill also?
Yes, sir.
In previous government also,
Yes, sir.
and in this government also. And now government is also saying that this MSP will be
Will be
continued.
continued, yes, sir.
Saying so what is new here which was not there in MSP before in previous government?
Sir, MSP will be there, but due to this bill, it is a kind of here that is what I am telling that there is, the farmers are not very much aware of this bill. So they are thinking that this MSP will be removed and they will not have this income security thing which they used to have MSP.
This is now clear that there are
Yes, sir. Now it is being guaranteed that MSP will not be removed.
What is the difference between this government's MSP and the previous MSP? If suppose government is saying that it will continue,
Yes, now
it
government
will
is
be continued.
Yes.
Government is
Take
saying.
it that it is continued.
government
Take it that it is
is Prime
continued.
Minister also yesterday.
So-
Then what is the difference between these two?
Sir is asking what are the benefits? Already the farmers has got the earlier the old MSP
Yes.
and that continue. So what will be the loss if that will be
What is the
continued?
difference? Earlier was better or this one is better? This MSP is better or the earlier one?
Take it that it is as come. Anyone. This question is better.
Presently, the government is giving 1.4%, 1.5% more than what the previous government used to give. This government is giving 1.5% more MSP than previous government used to give. And one more thing that the discussion was going on, I want to put point that if in contract farming, yes, ma'am, I have given one that is 1.5% more than the previous government's MSP.
Then why there is deadlock? It is good, na?
Yes, sir.
Then why deadlock is there?
Because, correct sir, to be honest, the farmers are not ready to understand because they are not knowing what the actual bill is. Farmers, I have seen one interview, there were farmers, leader was saying,
This point is right. My question is here in front of all the students sitting here. Do you think that suppose from Punjab and Haryana, many farmers are there who are protesting? All are the victims of politicians. Some are genuine there also, they know. Or all farmers are not knowing what is the real actually.
maximum are not knowing,
Is
sir.
it possible? Is it possible that no one knows? Then
No,
what is
the
the
maximum is not done because if maximum in front of media, in front of government, I think 7 to 8 round table conferences have been conducted, but nowhere they mention what the real picture, what the real problem they are facing. Two problems. Yes, sir. Sorry, I may be wrong with the counting.
Yes,
Then
yes,
on.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. I will clear it.
Yes, sir.
First, let this discussion go.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
They are not clearing, only two things they are clearing. That APMC system will be abolished, APMC system will be abolished. Second, MSP. Now, government has told that for MSP will not be abolished. For APMC system
Is
is
it
not.
still ordinance or it is bill?
It's an act now. It's an act now.
It is already
It's
law.
an act now, neither will nor
Then,
No?
then,
It is law.
Already
then this is already there.
Though good things are there, experts are there. Now with them, they have their experts also.
I just want to interfere.
Yes, sir.
Over there. Suppose the MSP of any produce, suppose paddy. Paddy is 2000. Clear? What was the problem earlier? That the government was purchasing or not purchasing. It was on the will of government. 2000 मैं इससे आगे नहीं बढ़ाऊंगा कोई दूसरा आ गया वो 1800 पे लेके चला गया Farmers are saying that you make it a legal clause that anyhow you have to purchase on the MSP. Without MSP you will not purchase it. You make it a legal clause written in the bill. Now what the government is saying that suppose today I fix 2000 rupees MSP. Clear? After few days, the international market price goes to 4,000. Then what the middleman will do? Middleman will purchase in 2,000 and will purchase it into 4,000. That the middleman did not do anything, no cultivation, no labor, no investment of time, no investment of anything.
And profit is
But
what it is.
Agent
government
Farmers are making
government is saying that if the international market price is raising to 4,000, then why the farmer will sell in 2,000? Directly he should go to there for gaining 4,000.
Yes, sir.
That is the actual. So who are the sufferer?
So
Sufferer are the
can they go
middlemen.
directly there?
And
Is it
if they can go directly according
can
to
they
the
practically?
according to the status of bill this time, they can go. But what they are fighting for, that make it a legal written clause. So if it becomes a legal written clause, then in every case the farmer has to sell his produce here only, here, not direct there. That is
It
the
was
main issue,
open earlier. It was open earlier.
which was not open at all.
So now earlier what was there? If the price
Earlier what
of
was
the-
there, that I am the government concerned.
if the price fixed is 2,000,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
and if outside market price is 4,000, farmers were free to go and sell the price outside also.
But
Those
they
are-
were not purchasing from the farmer directly, na?
Middlemen were there.
That's why many agro agencies are there.
This
Here,
was open. This
That's
was
why
open
many
earlier.
agro agencies are there.
here is the third point.
Ma'am, here also there is one point. Whether the quality
Here
of
the-
the crop,
Quality of crop, very good.
they will get the same price. This is also. They want that meat yield guarantee. That on the basis of quality also we must give.
Just 1 second, ma'am. Just 1 second. Suppose minimum selling price is, support price is 2,000. This farmer comes to me with his produce, and I saw that the quality is very bad. It has got spoiled up in storage or in cultivation wherever. But in another state, the same farmer is selling good quality just in 1,600. So the government was not purchasing in 2,000 from here, and they were purchasing in 1,600 from other states due to the quality, decrease in quality. Now they are saying that anyhow, whether quality is very inferior, still you have to take it. That is it.
Producers are there for MSP is not fixed.
Now, I request the second part of this second topic is farmers empowerment and protection agreement of price assurance and farm service bill 2020. And in the second bill, contract farming is a part.
Right.
So now we come to that stage of the contract farming. So any of the panelists, you can say your
Yes.
views on contract farming, pro and cons.
Yes. Start from anywhere.
Yes.
Satyam can
See, have this habit of group discussion. Anyway, start it. Don't wait. This is actually a
So
duty.
this now they can directly get into a deal or contract with the agricultural firms and businesses, and they can sign up a contract on pre-agreed price. That means the main role of this is that this will just shift the risk of market unpredictability upon the sponsor. Like suppose if there will be any fluctuation of price, then also the farmers will get the agreed price which they had been mentioned. It has been mentioned in the contract. So because of that, they will not be under pressure, and they will have to. They will not be under pressure of this market unpredictability that is there now.
Okay. So if it is saying if the price goes lower, they are safer. If the
Yes.
price goes higher, anyone
And
yes.
that the government may fix the
Contract
price.
farming, go to
Yeah,
that
in the
one.
contract farming I'm telling you. In the contract farming only there is a provision if the farmer wants to fix the price. Flexible price fixation provision is there. That
Farmers
I'm-
cannot fix. That will be agreement.
agreement, yes sir, that's only I'm taking. That agreement, if they are making agreement, suppose the agreement is of ₹50 and this agreement is a flexible price agreement, that if the price rises, then they have to pay according to the quality and the price and the percentage which is already mentioned by the farmer and the individual or the sponsor in the agreement. So they are having the chances that if the price goes high, they can get the money. The farmers will not be in loss. But if the price goes down, then they can purchase in the price what they have fixed.
Yes, Kundan.
Actually, as we all know that contract farming means that someone from outside organization and company will come, particularly in some village, and they will give a tender to grow certain crops or some produce on a fixed agreement price. Means the farmer and the producers and dealer will negotiate upon a fixed price. Means above the cost of production they will fix. So that there will be a sense of security that if the price of the commodities will be less in future, then also they are secure that by selling they will be getting the fair prices. And sir, here one thing is very important, that the farmers are not required to go anywhere. Means the company will be coming and they will buy directly.
Even transportation will not
Yes
be
ma'am,
any
the transportation cost will be reduced.
And anything
In
wrong
case
with
of crop failure, in case of in this contract farming,
yes.
In,
You want to say?
Yes, yes.
there is a provision. I mean, if there is a crop failure, I want to read that. In crop failure, that is force majeure. In the provision in the bill is written, means any unforeseen external event include flood, drought, bad weather, earthquake, epidemic, outbreak of disease, insect pest and such other events which is unavoidable and beyond the control of parties entering into the farming agreement. Means if I have made the agreement before that this price, at this price you have to purchase, and due to some drought or an epidemic situation the crop is getting failure, then there are the chances between the sponsor as well as the government, both will be taking care of the farmer. This is provision in the bill, and this bill I have
Sir, the
supported.
last point, sir, that next.
Yeah, there is a provision. There is a provision that if there is a dispute rising between the farmer and the company.
no, I said that are our farmers that much strong? Small farmers, generally,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
that
That
they
only-
can come back with Adani.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Right,
That
right.
only I kept the point that the small and marginal farmers will not be in a state that they can bargain or they can negotiate.
Are rising in this bill. In this bill, one more demerit is also there in this bill. This negotiation problem.
Intervention of government they are asking for.
Yes, ma'am.
Another thing-
That the government should fix the government should bring a agreement paper. That this agreement paper, just the companies like Ambani and Adani has to fill the agreement paper because they are having educated lawyers and farmers are not educated.
Right.
So, if this is the main problem, if the government is making the agreement paper, the farmers just have to fill the form, and after that the farmer will be sure that yes, if I have filled the form, I am safe I'm in safe game. And one more.
Are our farmers so literate that they can understand whether it is 1,000 or
Ma'am, the revolution needs change. From 1950s, we are in between 2010.
Presently, you cannot say.
There is-
common people's fear.
There is one-
This is the common people's
One point
fear.
also there is, madam.
This is common people's fear.
If the small farmers, they can go against anybody. For that, district level committee
Is there those last points comes
will be set up for the small marginal farmers.
So this is the last pros and cons and wisdom of the people. So for that, some authority should have been there, some government agency should have been there, because the poor farmers, they do not have that much strategy.
They want government's protection.
Ma'am, as you know about this bill, there is very less chance of any dispute.
Sir, come to point wise, do not say the whole.
No.
You come to
I'm
point
going
wise.
to one point. Any company cannot change the clause. Only amount, figure can be changed.
Oh, sir, a
Okay.
single structure is there.
The structure
That
will
is what
always
we want to
remain
say,
same.
yeah.
That's why the farmer has not to go through clause and clause. Number one. Number two, the provision has been made that in no case there will be SP less than CP. In no case. So there is no question of clause. Dispute can be only in the percentage of profit, margin. So if there is any profit, any dispute of profit margin, then SDN code is there, civil code is there,
And don't go to last.
and sir has said very well, the farmer, a single farmer has just to write only one application or
That
letter for
structure, does the structure have percentage of product?
We have to be practical where farmers are coming to society.
Yes. So don't go for the last one. You come to this. Does the structure say something related to the percentage of profit already in the clause?
No such clause
It
is
is
there.
just saying that in no case the farmer will be,
So it can be some 1%, it can be 2%.
उसको नुकसान नहीं होगा उसकी गारंटी है. But how much profit?
That
will
was
be?
already there. That was already there.
So for this, I would say, if government will take steps, consumer forum,
Panchayat wise, panchayat level, right?
cooperative society, agricultural cooperative society. So
Yes, sir.
request
Mr. Dubey.
any judges, any of the judges, please give your views.
Participated in different ways, came up with very good ideas, too many information
Very
related
lively
to
interaction.
farmers bill. But there are two aspects. Before I will come to farmers bill, let me clear the data. Economics students can verify this data. After independence, if you see the income of people of our country, then in every sector, government sector, private sector, public sector, every sector, it is increased by almost 200%. Almost. But if you see the farmer side, it is increased by only 21%. This is the data. This is the latest data you can verify. This is the status of farmer of our country since independence. This is my first point. Secondly, let us come to the bill. I asked about MSP, that what was the difference? What is the difference between the previous MSP and this MSP? When any bill is passed, when any rules and regulations are passed by the government, whosoever is the government, that doesn't matter. What are the practical implications of that bill? Let us try to understand it. MSP, it was there also previously, it is also here at present. But what happened in past times? Let us try to understand that one. Why farmers are agitated? What is the reason behind it? MSP, suppose गेहूं का फिक्स कर दिया 25 rupees per kg. This is the MSP. फिक्स कर दिया गवर्नमेंट ने. Okay. Now, after production of crops, अब क्या होगा? मंडी में जाएंगे. मंडी में जाएंगे. तो who is there? Prime Minister मोदी और मनमोहन सिंह और फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर. Tell me. Nobody is there. कौन है वहाँ बैठा हुआ? गवर्नमेंट एजेंट, एम्प्लॉय ऑफ डिफरेंट कैटेगरी. अब वो क्या कहता है? मेरे पास बोरी नहीं है. अब समझिए प्रैक्टिकल क्या प्रॉब्लम है. व्हाई दे आर एजिटेटिंग? मेरे पास बोरी नहीं है, मेरे पास गोदाम में जगह नहीं है. फार्मर्स वेंट बैक. अब चले गए वो वापस अपने घर. अब दूसरे दिन वो कहाँ जाएगा? मजबूर है वो मंडी में जाएगा बेचने के. नाउ सी द स्टेटस ऑफ द पीपल. अब वही व्यक्ति जिसने ये कहा कि मेरे पास बोरी नहीं है, वो पीछे से खड़ा है मंडी में. वो मंडी में खड़ा है कि यही फार्मर अब उस मंडी में जाके बेचेगा प्राइवेट आदमी को 10 रुपीज पर केजी गेहूं और उसको ये बोलेगा तुम हमको 15 रुपीज दे दो, 15 रुपीज पर केजी हमको दे दो. अब वो जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल है, गवर्नमेंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, वो 15 रुपीज पर केजी में खरीद के उसको अपने गोदाम में स्टोर करेगा बाय शोइंग द गवर्नमेंट दैट आई हैव परचेज्ड इट 25 रुपीज पर केजी. This is the problem with MSP, which was there in the past, and still there is no change in this system. That is why farmer is agitated. This is my first point. Secondly, come to contract farming. This is very good move from the government. Two moves are there, very good. I appreciate these two moves: digitalization of this agriculture, as well as this contract farming. But what are the hidden facts? इसके पीछे जरा आप सोच के देखिए, इसके अंदर क्या है, इसमें क्या बैड है. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो गया, ठीक है. ब्रिटानिया कंपनी आई, गांव का गांव ले लिया, पूरा का पूरा जमीन. आलू डालो, हमें आलू चाहिए चिप्स बनाना, या गेहूं डालो. लेस कंपनी आ गई, ब्रिटानिया आ गया, ठीक है, हमको चिप्स बनाना है, तुम खाली आलू उगाओ, हम इतना रुपया किलो ले लेंगे. अगला आया, बोला गेहूं उगाओ, हमको बिस्किट बनाना है. गांव का गांव, एरिया का एरिया ले ली. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग. ओके. नाउ ड्यू टू सडन रीजन कुछ भी अगर हो जाता है, ठीक है, और वो अपने बात से पलट गए, एज पर द एग्रीमेंट, एज अमित टोल्ड कि सो मेनी पॉइंट्स आर देयर इन द एग्रीमेंट. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो अगर छोटे छोटे गांव में जाके वो एग्रीमेंट करता है, फ्रैगमेंट में एग्रीमेंट करता है, अगर हम जाके एग्रीमेंट अमित से अलग किए, आद्या से अलग एग्रीमेंट किए, इससे अलग एग्रीमेंट किए, आर यू एबल टू फाइट विथ मी? आई एम द बिग टाइकून ऑफ दिस कंट्री, आर यू एबल टू फाइट विथ मी? नो,
पंचायत लेवल
नहीं कर पाओ। सेकेंडली, in this MSP also everything rests with the government officials, everything। बाटा कंपनी में चले जाइए चप्पल जूता खरीदने के, सिंपल सा एग्जांपल देते हैं, बाटा कंपनी में चले जाइए, उसको कोई मतलब नहीं है उसका बिके ना भी, उसको मतलब है कि हमारा 9 बजे शुरू होता है, 4 बजे खत्म होता है। और आप किसी प्राइवेट में चले जाइए तो वो आपको किसी न किसी तरीके से सेटिस्फाई करके आपको जूता खरीदवा के ही बेचेगा, सेल्समैन। बट इन बाटा कंपनी इट विल नॉट डू। तो सेम थिंग इज देयर। एमएसपी में कौन है? गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स आर देयर, दे हैव नथिंग टू डू, उसका अनाज आए चाहे नहीं आए, नथिंग टू डू। तो जैसे मिश्रा सर बोले, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट एट पंचायती राज लेवल इट शुड बी द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव शुड बी फ्रॉम द पंचायती राज। मुखिया हो सकता है रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, उसको डर है कि हमको वोट नहीं मिलेगा, अगर हम अपने किसानों का नहीं सुनेंगे तो अगली बार हम हार जाएंगे, तो ही कैन बी द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव। थर्डली, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग रिलेटेड टू दिस थिंग, क्योंकि फार्मर्स के सामने क्या है? एश्योरेंस गवर्नमेंट से एश्योरेंस, ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात है। कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग में ये प्रॉब्लम आएगी। सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात है टू बैलेंस द इकोसिस्टम। एम आई राइट मिश्रा सर? इकोसिस्टम, अगर हमारे इस पृथ्वी पर, इस धरती पर शेर की संख्या बढ़ जाए, लायन, तो व्हाट विल हैपन? व्हाट इंपैक्ट इट विल गिव सर? It will disturb the whole system. Now let us imagine what will happen. मान लो ब्रिटानिया कंपनी को गेहूं चाहिए, अंबानी और जितने भी इतने रिलायंस और जितने बड़े बड़े हैं वो अपना फार्मिंग में अब वो गेहूं और आलू के तरफ, जस्ट एग्जांपल, जस्ट आई एम गिविंग वन एग्जांपल, आलू ज्यादा चाहिए, गेहूं ज्यादा चाहिए, पूरा एरिया कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, महाराष्ट्र में प्याज उगना बंद हो गया, अब प्याज नहीं उगेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि आलू मांग रहे हैं, आलू के लिए वहाँ एमएसपी वो हमको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, गेहूं के लिए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, प्याज के लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं। तो नेक्स्ट ईयर मार्केट में एक प्याज नजर नहीं आएगा और 10 साल में डायनासोर की तरह एक्सटिंक्ट। दिस इज द फैक्ट इन द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग। सो टू बैलेंस दिस सिचुएशन, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। गवर्नमेंट हैज टेकन 2-3 brilliant moves, I appreciate it, but still a lot more to do. अभी भी उसमें चाहिए amendment की जरूरत है, जिससे because on the part of government also we should think कि जो भी FCI है उसमें अनाज बर्बाद हो रहा है and that is not good for the country के लिए वो अच्छा नहीं है। अगर कोई प्राइवेट हाथ में जाता है स्टोरेज तो वो बेटर रहेगा, but there should be rules and regulation। अभी आपका क्या रूल है? इमरजेंसी। In the case of emergency, you cannot store. This is true. But आज आप अंबानी पूरा एक साथ जमा करके रख लिया, आप जाके बोल सकते हैं? नहीं बोल सकते हैं according to this bill। वो आएगा सीधे बोलेगा कौन सा इमरजेंसी है बताइए, आप किस लिए आए हैं?
ये था कि आप कोई भी स्टोर नहीं कर सकते।
नहीं कर सकते।
अभी इस बिल के तहत कोई भी स्टोर
स्टोर कर सकता है।
तो who can store? अमित can store 1000 क्विंटल?
No. Obviously, big tycoon
Yes.
country. So these are the drawbacks in the bill. Definitely, the government should think about it. On the part of farmers, farmers के लिए सोचना पड़ेगा, और दूसरा ये भी सोचना है कि हमारा प्रोडक्शन जो भी कंट्री में हो रहा है वो बर्बाद न हो। How to safeguard that? So both aspects are there. So we should think about it. ये इतना आसान चीज नहीं है जो एकदम से हमने एक एमएसपी को रख लिया और एक हमने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग डाल दिया तो किसानों की जिंदगी सुधर गई और हमारे देश का एग्रीकल्चर अच्छा हो गया। नो, इसमें बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स हैं। इसको किसी ने नहीं सोचा कि हमारा ये पूरा एग्रीकल्चर सिस्टम बर्बाद हो जाएगा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग में। पता चला एक कोई फसल उगता ही नहीं है क्योंकि उसका डिमांड ही नहीं है। सब लोग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग की तरफ भाग रहे हैं, खाली आलू उगा रहे हैं, गेहूं उगा रहे हैं, प्याज कोई उगा ही नहीं रहा है, अरहर का जरूरत है ही नहीं। So these are the things which we should think, and from the point of farmers, we should give full 100% guarantee and safety to the farmers. This is what I want, in my opinion.
Can anyone say about essential commodities amendment?
Can put the storage of any commodity to large extent. After that, this essential commodity at only in few situations, that is in war, in pandemic they cannot keep the storage, whereas they can keep in
My
any.
question is, point number 5.
Essential commodity. Food items.
The commodities that have been deregulated are these are
These are the
अभी
items.
तो बोले ना?
Four are added.
अभी तुम्हें सब क्या बोले?
Earlier they are essential commodity, but now they are
But Ajit said told Essential Commodity Act
हाँ.
told that in certain areas, according to the survey, if there is the which is the short supply, which product is short supply, for that no agreement, no contract agreement.
Sir, concern
It will be free.
invitation of the commercial.
और MSP there is also there is no rule that you cannot take. कहाँ लिखा हुआ है? But actually what is happening? I am talking about the practical implications.
That's
MSP क्या कहता है और क्या हो रहा है? What is the difference between this? MSP
They are not
is
have
valid.
100% exact bill beneficial to all concerned ones that we
No,
have.
definitely. Sir, suppose for MSP.
But
Suppose
there the
government
drawbacks
passes.
are less.
Sir, suppose government
Sir, we
passes
don't
this
have to
bill.
think drawbacks more or less. We have to think of the farmers, the sector, that area which have always been neglected.
Yes.
We should think of protection with all the amendments.
I am always in favor of this bill that the farmers are going to get benefited in comparison of the earlier 60
Sir, suppose just I'm giving you one example. MSP जो है, in MSP suppose there is a bill उसमें अगर ये provision रहे, if anybody will purchase,
बस,
anyone will
that
purchase
would
less than the MSP,
For
कहीं
that, this
very
is-
next day, अब हमको आप बताइए.
But ये way
Very
is
next
wrong.
day.
How will you prove?
How will you prove?
Some
Farmer
are
will
very-
tell. Farmer will tell. Fruit
Sir,
will tell.
sir,
Not a legal entity.
one thing, sir, farmers' consciousness. Until unless farmer will be conscious, and until unless there is coordination between the consumer and the
एक
farmer.
बात बताइए, सब लोग मर्डर करते हैं.
और yes, sir, जो भी-
Thank you so
मर्डर
much.
करेंगे तो क्या होगा? But फिर भी आज कुछ लोग मर्डर करते
Sir,
हैं.
yes, sir, one
कुछ ही
minute.
लोग करते हैं.
Yes, sir,
सब
until
लोग तो नहीं करते हैं.
हम लोग भी कृषि में शामिल हो गए.
Until unless there is a direct relation between the farmer and consumer, we come to जो पहले हम जो गए थे संडे को, एक गोभी लेकर आए आपका बड़का तरफ से लेकर आए बाइक से उतरे, जैसे उतरे जो मंडी वाला जो शॉप वाला जाके पहुंच गए, हम भी उधर पहुंचे थे, तो इमीडिएटली हमको बोले
आपको नहीं दिया होगा.
नहीं बोला, वो बोले 30 रुपया किलो. उसके बाद हम जैसे ये किए, बोले नहीं सर उसको वो लेंगे. कितना है वो लिया 20 रुपये.
20 रुपए. Why is it so? Because it
अब
is
उसकी कि जब हम आपको 30 रुपया लेंगे, आप मुझे नहीं
This is
20 रुपया में
because
देंगे.
insurance.
It is because he cannot protect later.
तो मैं पूछे कि आप उनको 20 रुपया में दे रहे हैं, वो लेके भी 30 रुपया में बेचेंगे, पर आप मुझे 30 रुपया में क्यों नहीं दे रहे?
रोज नहीं खरीदेंगे सर आप.
बोले कि सर हम
वो उससे रोज खरीदेंगे.
बोले कि वो मुझे सपोर्ट देता है.
So I would request Mr. Anything else? So Mr. Mishra, it is already concluded. My point is, bill is very good, but Mr. Mishra, I would suggest, if something we are implementing for the students and we find any student comes and says, ma'am, this is our district, zero period is not there in place of zero period evening class and latest class in the afternoon, we can make this amendment. So what we are looking forward to, that is amendment. And in no case we as the citizens of the country should favor that. So anything can be discussed, even warlike situations can be settled sharing a cup of tea. So always thinking that something we wanted to make the students aware of. That there are so many things. I still remember Mr. Modi was the director that time in the year 2012 here. This director of the public schools in India, and he was once discussing with the student, interacting with the student, and he said, what do you want to do? He said, I want to be a journalist. I want to be this and this and that. If you are ever being a scientist, please do something for irrigation in Jharkhand, because Jharkhand badly needs it. जमीन इतना है यहाँ, सिर्फ इरिगेशन के चलते खेती बाड़ी नहीं हो पाती है सही तरीके से, प्रोडक्शन नहीं है, दैट इज अ फैक्ट. तो एक कंसर्न किसी भी एजुकेटेड आदमी का क्या होना चाहिए कि हमारा कोई भी पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, इफ सम स्कोप इज देयर that we can better, then we have to think of on particular that cause. So objective of such kind of discussion is whatever the but अपने eyes को इन्हीं चीजों की नजर से ना देख के बोलिए, because we have so many other ways to know the process. Anything starts, you start. But later what happens, the people have the mentality of changes. No. So actually sometimes changes are coming with so many positivity. So उसकी positivity को देखें तो मेरे हाथ में है, and hope at least the students will wake up to go through now.
And one more thing now. Yes. If they are saying about the benefits of digitalization, so this is a challenge and आप throwing challenge कि पहले अपने मम्मी पापा को भी आप digitalize कीजिए, तो किसान के digitalization की बात कीजिएगा, स्ट्रीट ट्रेडिंग, ई-कॉमर्स की बात कीजिएगा।
आप ये पता है स्ट्रॉबेरी जानते हो? स्ट्रॉबेरी इज वेरी कॉस्टली। 50 रुपये में मुश्किल से 2 या 3 टाइम डब्बा मिलता है आराम से, यानी 50 रुपये कौन देगा, इससे अच्छा ओके। सो बट व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ पे एग्रीकल्चर में बदल के 2 गांवों ने स्टार्ट किया और 1 एकड़ में 2 लाख का प्रॉफिट है, नॉट सेम। तो हम लोग किस तरीके से यहाँ पे जो भी बैठा हुआ, सो एवर इज द मैन, आई एम रियली मिस्टर के सिंह करके द मैन हु इज एग्रीकल्चर का एक्सपर्ट ये करवा रहा है। तो मैक्सिमम आउटपुट, मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट फ्रॉम दिस एरिया। टीना ढाबी से अभी रिसेंटली एक इंटरव्यू हो रहा था, तो टीना ढाबी ने कहा
इसमें हुआ है ना, ये 2 लाख का प्रॉफिट हुआ और कोविड वाले सिचुएशन में
because of that, no, they are coming up with so many good things. Because of that, they came back. Farmers in the form of farmers, they are shining like anything. In the form of laborers, they were not doing any such thing. Tina Dhani said to the students, I sometimes was changing my schedule. It's not good with the same pace studies, but newspaper reading was a thing that I did. All the facts better than what we can know and better than what we can reflect.
In today's panel discussion, into my points of view, we cannot reach to the conclusion because the farmers will very long and comprehensive issues, and we have some other time also for further discussion. But one thing I would like to say that fortune always favors to brave. Particularly for this type of programs, activity in our surrounding, PAP Hazaribagh, they mostly organize, and the students also, they are mostly becoming success at the state and national level. In debate competition, speech competition, panel discussion. So last month actually they had organized in their school first time, and madam had also sent me the message with photograph.
I keep sending
Why
messages
we
to
not?
our females,
Why we not? We also can. So thank you madam for your inspiration, and we conducted today and further also we shall conduct many more such program. Yesterday's program was also very nice. Again I shall repeat today also.
ये प्रोग्राम वाले
They missed it.
Yes.
They missed it.
So next I would like to thanks to all the participants. Whenever they are asked, they become immediately ready. Actually today it was, our objective was not to make the competition, to make the involvement of the students, but to create confidence of the students on the issue, particularly different issues. So there is no separation of science or commerce or any house. From every house we have invited the participants, and we shall proceed forward. And I cannot stay without giving thanks to all the jury members. So they have given their valuable time and they are with us. Other teachers who are here also shared their views, particularly I would like to thank all the students. Actually, today's program we had planned in some other place, but for the benefits of our students, ultimately we changed the venue.